Reheating certain foods in the microwave can be dangerous or downright toxic. Hard-boiled eggs can literally explode when microwaved, causing burns or a huge mess. Rice can grow a bacteria called Bacillus cereus. If not stored and reheated properly, it causes food poisoning. Microwaves heat unevenly. Chicken may look hot but stay raw inside, risking salmonella. Potatoes stored in foil without refrigeration can grow Clostridium botulinum, a rare but deadly toxin. Reheating nitrate-rich veggies like spinach or celery can produce nitrosamines, potentially cancer-causing. Not everything belongs in the microwave. Know what's safe, your stomach will thank you. Eat smart, stay safe, follow for food truths.